This is the medicine ball toe touches. So we're going to take a medicine ball and we're actually going to touch our toes. This is a great full body core exercise that I love to do. So we are going to lay down, take the medicine ball, we're going to extend our legs, extend the medicine ball back, and we're going to touch our toe to the medicine ball, just one toe. Bring it up, touch, open, and then we're going to alternate. Take the other toe, touch, open. You're going to contract the core and bring it open. So you want to do this slow and controlled to get down your form before you actually get into the exercise. So it looks something like this. Breathing in, breathing out. You just want to make sure in the beginning that you pick a medicine ball that is light enough so you're not putting strain on your neck. So it's all about keeping your neck stable and keeping your core strong. So that is the medicine ball leg lift toe touch.